having a gym membership, trying to shed weight or keep fit, yet you can't see the result, or one of those intending members but discouraged based on what others are doing or saying, then you should see this video. Hey guys, it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Whatever platform you are seeing this video, either on YouTube or Facebook, kindly subscribe and follow respectively. It means you support what I do and also a way of boosting my platforms. If you have already done that, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your support. And if you have not done that already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Are you one of those having a gym membership, trying to shed weight or keep fit, yet you can't see the result, or one of those intending members but discouraged based on what others are doing or saying? Then you should see this video. Firstly, take a step back, reevaluate yourself, know the reason, the motive for the registration in the first place. Did you register, or do you want to register to show off your beautiful gym wears? Take pictures, videos, I'm feeling among, let them know that I'm going to the gym. Let them know that yes, I have an active gym membership. Whichever one, reevaluate that. Secondly, what type of diet or what type of diet are you on? Is your diet controlled or restricted? Controlled in the sense that you used to eat 5 tablespoons of rice, but now you've reduced to 3 tablespoons. For the restricted, it's like getting rid of some certain food from your menu, from your list, all because you need to achieve your desired size. But along the line, as humans, sometimes the stomach may want to pressurize, and you have no option than to give in to stomach pressure, if there's anything like that. And so you begin to say things like,
I don't keep person, now fat.
Team Cheat Day Gang. And before you know it, your morale will begin to drop gradually until it completely wears out. Thirdly, what do you do after each session? Do you go back home, or do you get into the activities of the day with little or no physical activity, that is sedentary lifestyle, and tomorrow again your journey begins? When you reevaluate yourself with all of this inclusive, know your motive, the type of diet you are on, and the activities after the sessions, it will help you to come to terms with yourself. And with that, you will be able to generate positive results in the long run. Leaving you with this: pick your struggles and do what works for you. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time,